Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
In India, we have got immense Vedic literature for understanding this business of the soul, and in human form of body, if you do not take care of the spiritual portion of our life, then we are making suicide. That is the proposal of all great personalities born in India, acharyas, like recent. Formerly there were big acharyas like Vyasdev and others, Devala, many acharyas, and the recent within say 1,500 years there were many acharyas like Ramanujarya, Madhvacharya, Vishnu Swami, and within 500 years Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they have also given us many literatures about this spiritual knowledge, but at the present moment this spiritual knowledge is neglected. So it is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message to the whole world that every one of you become Guru, spiritual master. So how everyone can become a spiritual master? To become spiritual master is not easy job. One must be very learned, a scholar, and must have full realization of the self and everything. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us a little formula that if you strictly follow the teachings of Bhagavad-gita, and if you preach the purpose of Bhagavad-gita, then you become Guru. The exact words used in Bengali, it is said, Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. To become Guru is very difficult job, but if you simply carry the message of Bhagavad-gita and try to convince anyone you meet, then you become a Guru. So our this Krishna consciousness movement is meant for this purpose. We are presenting Bhagavad-gita as it is, without any malinterpretation.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.